Welcome, everyone. Thank you for joining us today. I'm excited to introduce our presentation on streamlining video editing workflows. Today's focus is on how automation with iBARE can transform your editing process. We'll cover the key features, benefits, and practical applications of this innovative solution. So, let's get started and discover how we can make your video editing more efficient and effective. Let's take a closer look at some of the common challenges faced in video editing. These hurdles can significantly impact our workflow and the final quality of the content. By understanding these issues, we can better appreciate how our solutions aim to streamline the process. Moving on, we'll explore the key features of iBARE that are designed to tackle these challenges head-on. These tools are essential for enhancing efficiency and creativity. Finally, we'll discuss the workflow optimization benefits that come from implementing these features, helping us save time and produce higher quality videos more consistently. All of this ties back to our overall goal of making video editing more manageable and effective. Let's take a closer look at some of the common challenges faced in video editing. First, one of the main issues is managing large amounts of footage, which can be overwhelming and time-consuming to organize. Then, there's the challenge of maintaining a consistent style and flow throughout the video, ensuring that all elements work seamlessly together. Another common problem is dealing with technical issues like rendering errors or software crashes, which can delay progress and cause frustration. These challenges highlight why efficient tools and workflows are so important in video editing, helping us to stay productive and focused on creating high-quality content. Overcoming these hurdles is essential to achieving professional results and maintaining our creative vision. Let's talk about some of the main challenges with manual tasks in video editing. First, there's the time-consuming process of clipping. Editors often spend hours trimming footage and selecting the right clips, which reduces the time they can spend on creative aspects and can lead to longer project timelines. Then, there's the issue of audio synchronization. Matching audio tracks perfectly with video can be technically tricky and often causes delays or quality issues if not done correctly. Another challenge is asset management. Without automated systems, organizing footage, tracking different versions, and finding specific clips can quickly become overwhelming and inefficient. Lastly, these technical tasks tend to take up a lot of attention, which limits the editor's ability to focus on storytelling and artistic decisions. All of these factors highlight how manual processes can hinder creativity and project efficiency, emphasizing the need for smarter solutions. Let's talk about some common audio synchronization issues we often encounter. One of the key features of iBARE is its automatic audio alignment. It syncs audio tracks with the video automatically, which means no more tedious manual adjustments and a significant reduction in editing time. This makes the workflow much more efficient. Next, handling complex audio arrangements is essential, especially when working with multiple tracks. iBARE manages multi-track audio seamlessly, ensuring that dialogue, music, and sound effects stay perfectly timed with each other. This synchronization is crucial for a professional quality production. Another important aspect is echo removal. Using advanced algorithms, iBARE can detect and eliminate echo problems. This results in clean, clear audio without the need for time-consuming manual corrections, saving both time and effort. Finally, I want to highlight the customizable sync options. Different recording situations require different settings, and iBARE allows you to adjust synchronization parameters to fit various production environments. This flexibility helps ensure perfect alignment no matter the circumstances, reinforcing our commitment to delivering high-quality audio in every project. Managing multiple tracks can seem overwhelming, but with the right tools, it becomes much more manageable. Our track organization tools help simplify complex timelines by using a visual track management system. This system makes it easier to see and organize your clips, thanks to color coding and grouping features that keep everything neat and accessible. Automated sync features are a game changer. They use AI-powered technology to automatically align your video and audio tracks, saving you from tedious manual adjustments and ensuring everything stays perfectly synchronized. We also offer multi-track templates, which are pre-configured layouts designed for common video projects. These templates speed up your setup process and help maintain consistency across your projects, making your workflow smoother. And when you need to make adjustments across multiple tracks, batch track editing allows you to apply effects or modifications simultaneously. This streamlines complex productions, saving you time and effort. All of these features connect back to our overall goal, making multi-track editing more intuitive, efficient, and professional. Now, let's take a look at how we organize our footage assets to keep everything streamlined and easily accessible. First up is the auto-tagging system. This feature automatically categorizes our clips based on their content, the speakers involved, and the overall themes. It really helps us organize large volumes of footage quickly and efficiently. Next, we have the search functionality. With advanced search tools driven by those auto-generated tags, finding a specific clip becomes much faster. Instead of scrolling endlessly, we can pinpoint exactly what we need in just a few moments. Then there's version tracking. This keeps a detailed record of all the changes made to our footage. It's crucial for collaboration because it allows us to see who made revisions and when, ensuring better control over edits and avoiding confusion. Finally, cloud storage ties everything together. It means we can access our footage from anywhere, at any time, with the confidence that it's securely stored and synchronized across all our devices. These features together support a more efficient, collaborative workflow, something that's essential in today's fast-paced production environment. When we look at the creative process, one of the biggest hurdles we face is the complexity of the software itself. Many of these tools have steep learning curves, which means that a lot of time gets spent just figuring out how to use them effectively. Instead of focusing on creating compelling content, editors often find themselves bogged down mastering the software. Then there's the issue of rendering bottlenecks. Long processing times can really break the creative flow. Imagine having a great idea, but you're stuck waiting for your project to render before you can move forward. That can be incredibly frustrating and delays the entire project timeline. Format compatibility is another challenge. Converting files from one type to another can eat up valuable editing time. Every minute spent on these technical chores is a minute taken away from actual creative work. And we can't forget hardware limitations. If your computer doesn't have enough power, it becomes difficult to preview your work in real time or to add complex effects. This restricts your ability to experiment freely and can hinder the overall quality of the final product. All of these hurdles, software complexity, rendering delays, format issues, and hardware constraints, highlight how technical barriers can limit creativity. Addressing these issues is crucial if we want to unlock our full creative potential and streamline our workflow. Let's take a closer look at the key features of iBARE. First, what really sets iBARE apart is its user-friendly interface, making it accessible for both new and experienced users. This means you can navigate and utilize its tools efficiently without a steep learning curve. Next, iBARE offers robust data analytics capabilities. It allows you to analyze complex data sets quickly, providing actionable insights that can drive better decision-making. This is crucial in today's fast-paced environment where timely insights are a game changer. Another important feature is its customizable modules. You can tailor the platform to fit your specific needs, whether it's for different projects or organizational requirements. This flexibility ensures iBARE can adapt as your needs evolve. Additionally, iBARE emphasizes security and compliance, safeguarding your data with advanced encryption and adhering to industry standards. This peace of mind is essential when handling sensitive information. Finally, the platform is designed for seamless integration with existing systems, ensuring a smooth implementation process and minimizing disruptions. All these features work together to support our overall goal, enabling more efficient, secure, and insightful operations, which ultimately helps us stay ahead in our industry. Now, let's take a look at how automated clipping and trimming can really enhance our content. First, the AI technology can identify key moments in your footage, so it automatically detects the most important segments without us having to search through hours of video manually. This saves us a ton of time and ensures we don't miss any crucial highlights. Next, it can remove silences or dead air, which means your videos become tighter and more engaging. No more long pauses that lose viewers' attention. Another powerful feature is creating highlight reels. The system can generate compilations of the best moments, perfect for promotional use or quick summaries. And finally, it can extract quick social clips, short, shareable segments optimized specifically for different social media platforms. All these features work together to streamline content creation and help us deliver more captivating, professional-looking videos with less effort. Let's take a closer look at AI-powered audio enhancement. First, there's noise reduction technology. This feature automatically removes background noise and unwanted sounds, which means your audio tracks will come through much cleaner and more professional. It's like having a sound engineer right there with you. Next, we have voice clarity enhancement. This tool improves speech intelligibility and even removes echoes, helping your dialogue sound clear and crisp. It's essential for creating that polished, professional quality in your recordings. Then there's audio level balancing. This automatically adjusts volume levels across different clips, ensuring consistent sound throughout your entire video. No more jarring volume jumps, just smooth, even audio. Finally, we have customizable presets. These let you save environment-specific audio settings tailored for different recording conditions. So whether you're in a noisy cafe or a quiet studio, you can quickly apply the right settings and save valuable editing time. All these tools work together to enhance audio quality effortlessly, supporting our overall goal of producing professional, high-quality content with ease. Let's talk about intelligent asset management and how it can really streamline your workflow. First, the auto-tagging system automatically categorizes clips based on their content, speaker, and theme. This means you spend less time organizing and more time focusing on the creative side. Next, the search capabilities are a game changer. You can quickly find the footage you need using advanced sorting and filtering options, making your process much more efficient. Collaboration features are also crucial. You can easily track different versions, manage comments, and share assets seamlessly with your team, ensuring everyone stays on the same page. And finally, with cloud accessibility, your organized media library is always within reach, no matter where you are, thanks to secure cloud storage. All these features tie back to our overall goal, making media management smarter, faster, and more collaborative, so you can focus on creating great content without getting bogged down in logistics. Now, let's take a look at how AI-assisted editing suggestions can really transform the way we work. First, we have smart transition recommendations. AI analyzes the tone and content of your video and suggests scene transitions that make the flow much smoother, which helps keep viewers engaged. Next is personalized editing style. Over time, the system learns your preferences and offers suggestions tailored specifically to your creative approach, making the editing process more intuitive and aligned with your vision. Faster creative decisions are also a big advantage. With AI providing recommendations, it reduces decision fatigue, allowing you to maintain momentum and focus more on the creative aspects of your project. Finally, these intelligent suggestions can elevate the final quality of your production. Whether it's music cues or color grading, AI helps enhance your work without compromising your artistic vision, giving your project that polished, professional look. Overall, these tools are about making editing smarter, faster, and more personalized, aligning perfectly with our goal of streamlining the creative process while maintaining high quality. Let's talk about how iBARE integrates with editing platforms. First, it's compatible with major editors like Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, and DaVinci Resolve. This means you can work seamlessly across these popular tools, making your editing process much more streamlined and efficient. Next, the export and import features really help maintain your project integrity. You can easily transfer your work between iBARE and your editing software without worrying about losing quality or data, which ultimately saves you time and keeps your workflow smooth. Finally, the cloud syncing capability is a game changer. It allows you to access your projects from anywhere, giving you maximum flexibility and enabling better collaboration with your team. All of these features tie back to our overall goal, making your editing process more efficient, flexible, and collaborative, so you can focus more on creating great content. Let's take a closer look at the benefits of workflow optimization. When we streamline our processes, we not only save time but also reduce errors, which leads to higher quality outcomes. This efficiency allows teams to focus more on strategic tasks rather than getting bogged down in repetitive work. Additionally, optimizing workflows enhances collaboration across departments because everyone is aligned and clear on their responsibilities. These improvements ultimately contribute to better overall performance and a more agile organization. As we've seen throughout this presentation, implementing workflow optimization is a key step toward achieving operational excellence and sustaining long-term growth. Let's talk about how iBARE really transforms the editing process. First, it significantly reduces editing time by up to 70%, thanks to automation features like clipping, trimming, and audio enhancement. This means editors can save a lot of time on routine tasks. By automating these tedious processes, editors can focus more on creativity and storytelling rather than getting bogged down in technical details. It frees up mental space for making artistic decisions. Another key benefit is streamlined workflows. With AI-powered organization and tagging, finding and managing assets becomes much faster and more efficient. That means less time spent searching and more time actually editing. And finally, the platform helps speed up overall production cycles. Automated suggestions for transitions, effects, and color grading help accelerate the entire process, so you can deliver projects faster without sacrificing quality. All of these features come together to make editing not just faster, but also more enjoyable and creatively focused. Now, let's look at how this technology automatically improves quality across all aspects of your video. First, enhanced audio clarity is a game changer. It removes background noise and balances levels, giving you that professional sound quality without the need for manual adjustments. It's like having a sound engineer right in your software. Next, we have smart color grading. The AI analyzes your footage and applies the right color corrections based on the content and the mood you're aiming for. This ensures your visuals are consistent and visually appealing, no matter the original source. Moving on, automated visual effects make your videos stand out by suggesting and applying effects that enhance visual appeal. And importantly, these effects are chosen to maintain a natural look, so your videos don't feel overly processed. Finally, the system guarantees a consistent output quality. No matter the variations in source material, all your video segments will match up to the same high standards. Altogether, these features highlight how automation here not only saves time, but also elevates the overall quality, reinforcing our theme of intelligent, effortless enhancement for professional results. Let's talk about how this tool truly enhances your creative focus. By taking care of tedious tasks, it allows you to concentrate on making artistic decisions rather than getting bogged down in technical details. This automation speeds up your workflow significantly, meaning you spend less time on manual processes and more on refining your vision. It also simplifies complex editing challenges by handling technical issues automatically, so you can focus on storytelling and creating visual impact. And perhaps most exciting, it suggests creative options, offering AI-powered recommendations that can inspire new directions while still aligning with your overall vision. All of these features come together to empower you to work more efficiently and creatively, elevating the entire editing process. Let's talk about how this tool truly streamlines collaboration. One of the key features is team-based editing, which allows multiple people to work on the same project at the same time. This means everyone can contribute simultaneously, with real-time updates so you see changes as they happen. Plus, version control keeps everything organized, so you can easily track different versions and revert to earlier edits if needed. Another important aspect is cloud syncing. This gives you the freedom to access your projects from anywhere, whether you're in the office or on the go. With automatic cloud backup and synchronization across devices, your work stays safe and up-to-date without any extra effort. Comment tracking is also a game changer. Team members can leave feedback directly on specific clips, making it easy to communicate about edits or improvements without disrupting the workflow. It keeps everyone on the same page. And finally, the version history feature allows you to see all the changes made over time. If needed, you can revert to a previous version, which adds an extra layer of security and peace of mind. All of these features come together to make collaboration smoother, more efficient, and ultimately more effective, which ties back to our overall goal of enhancing teamwork and productivity in our projects. Making production more accessible is a key goal of our platform. Let me walk you through how we achieve that. First, we've simplified the editing process. The interface is designed to be intuitive, so beginners can get started easily, but it still offers the professional tools that experienced editors need. This helps lower the learning curve significantly. Next, we focus on reducing technical barriers. Automated functions handle complex tasks, meaning users don't need extensive technical knowledge in video or audio editing. This opens up content creation to a much wider audience. By doing this, we truly democratize content creation. Small businesses and individual creators can now produce high-quality videos without the need for large production teams or expensive equipment. And speaking of costs, our solution is very cost-effective. Since we rely on cloud-based processing, users don't have to invest in specialized hardware or pricey software. It makes professional-grade video production accessible and affordable for everyone. Overall, our goal is to empower more people to create, share, and innovate through easier, more accessible production tools. Thanks for being here today. I really appreciate your time and attention throughout this presentation. I hope you found the insights valuable and engaging. Remember, the key points we discussed highlight the importance of continuous learning and innovation in achieving our goals. It's been great sharing these ideas with you, and I look forward to seeing how you apply them in your own work. Thanks again for your participation and interest.